Click Upload Document and select the blueprint. Here, we'll choose a purchase order blueprint. Select the blueprint and upload your document. The system will automatically start extracting data. After extraction, view the data as individual fields and tables. Use the full screen viewer to see all details. Export directly as CSV or JSON. Click Field Annotation. Select the area to extract. Enter the field name. Value is captured automatically. Save it. You can see if it was added by you or extracted by AI. Click Table Annotation. Drag from start to end of the table. Auto-detect rows is enabled by default. Adjust or add columns by dragging or right-clicking. Edit column names as needed. After edits, click Save or Save Changes. Exit Table Annotation to view your table under line items. Edit, delete, or re-annotate anytime. Export your data as CSV.